Scalping trading strategies for desperate traders. Scalping trading strategies for desperate traders. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. The title of this video is Scalping Trading Strategies for Desperate Traders. Okay. In this tutorial, I would like to share with traders, a specific scalping trading strategy for desperate traders. Okay, what is a desperate trader? Okay, now this is not to insult traders, but it is to categorize a group of traders. Okay, these are a type of traders that do not care to lose, and they are trading on the lower time frame, and they are scalping consistently. This is what I call, desperate traders. It's nothing negative about it. I'm just putting the word desperate to qualify their method of trading, because these type of traders are trading only on the lower time frame. They do not care about the higher time frame, and they are just trading on a lower time frame, try to grab some profit, quick and fast profit on the lower time frame. That's why we say desperate traders. So do not see desperate traders as a negative word, but this is just to categorize a trading style. Okay, so talking about this strategy for desperate scalping trading strategy for desperate traders, all right, it's very simple. One wants to use a trend line and market geometry on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so the strategy is very simple. You go on a 15-minute chart. The tools, the trading tools that you wants to use are trend lines and market geometry. Okay, very simple. So if you consider yourself as a desperate trader, somebody who is only looking for a quick and fast profit on a lower time frame without checking the higher time frame, without applying a top-down trading method, I want you to pay attention carefully. I do not recommend this trading strategy to normal traders that wants to apply a top-down trading method. The best approach is one wants to scalp trade. One can use a top-down trading method, which means one is looking first for a trading setup on a higher time frame before going to the lower time frame for scalping purposes. All right, this is the best approach. I will also put in a description section a playlist link that trader can check about scalping. Okay, very, very important. So talking about scalping trading strategy for desperate traders, very simple. So I have on my chart, I'm going to remove the first line here. So I'm going to call on my first trend line. So we are using trend line, remember. And also we are paying attention to the price action. Okay, so this is a simple strategy, and if you are a desperate trader or you want to trade like a desperate trader, pay attention carefully. Okay, so how did I draw this trend line? So I selected 2 points. All right, this is the first point here, and this is the second point on the 15-minute chart. So I have my red bullish trend line. The strategy is very simple. So we need 2 points to do the trend to draw a bullish trend line, and for a desperate trader, using a trend line, okay, and the price action, if the price comes back to retest the bullish trend line and the common sense trend line along the price here is kaput, a desperate trader will buy. Okay, very simple, isn't it? Very simple. One is not using any technical indicator. Instead of using a stochastic oversold and overbought, or any momentum oscillator overbought and oversold, one is using the price action and a trend line on the 15-minute chart. This is a scalping strategy for desperate traders trading on the 15-minute chart and using trend lines and price action. So here, a desperate trader will buy here after the trend line is broken. In fact, you can see that the price gap up here, okay? All right, so if you buy here, you place your stop loss below this low here. All right, you are on the 50-minute chart, okay? So again, the price return back to retest the bullish trend line. One is looking for this common set trend line here. You see here, this point, and this point is the common set trend line. Along the price is kaput, price breaks above it, A desperate bullish trader that is scalping on a 50-minute chart will also buy here. Very simple, isn't it? Very simple. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this strategy with traders is because a lot of traders are using the RSI, the stochastic, all right, the momentum oscillators, but they are not paying attention to the price. So to minimize the risk, though this is a little bit risky trading strategy, I do not trade this way. Myself, I use a top-down trading method, but I'm recording this video for traders that are called desperate traders to help them minimize their trade, their risk, because some traders are using the stochastic oversold, stochastic overbought. They are selling the stochastic, they are selling the RSI indicator, they are selling the CCI indicator, they are selling a technical indicator. So the purpose of this video is to rectify this trading mistake so traders may concentrate on the price itself when they are scalping. So one can get rid of the technical indicator and pay attention to the price. This is what I'm trying to do here. So for a desperate trader that is using a technical indicator, we are inviting that type of trader to abandon that old-fashioned trading and to try or to test and retest this scalping trading strategy instead on a 50-minute chart. Okay, so here it is working beautifully. So trader is broken here, you buy, you see price went up. Okay, all right. So here again, you common centralized broken, you retest it here, you buy. Okay, good. It's working beautifully on this chart. So here again, you wait. Here it is come again. Near you see it come very close to it, and the common central line here is kaput. You buy again. Okay, and it's working beautifully. You want to use a tiny stop loss and control the risk and buy somewhere near the red trend line. Okay, here it is come again. Common central line is kaput. You buy again on the air. You see it went up a bit and then crash back down. So for a scalper, is somebody who is looking for a quick and fast profit. So these type of traders are not looking for 30 pip as such. They are not looking for 50 pip for a trade. They are looking for 10 pips. Some of them are looking even for 5 pips. Some of them are looking for 15 pips. And this is for this type of traders that are called desperate traders that are trading on a lower time frame using technical indicators alone. There is a better way. I'm not saying that all these traders that are scalping are desperate traders, but some of them are desperate traders because they don't pay attention to the higher time frame and they don't pay attention to the price and they don't apply a top-down trading method. Here again, trend line is broken. Okay, here you retest it. Okay, trend line is broken. This is again a buy for this for a desperate scalping trader. Okay, right. Okay. Yeah, so price came back, retest the trend line, you buy. Okay, now this is for buying along a bullish trend line. So now I want to show you another trick that you can use. Yeah, again, I'm going to draw another line. I'm going to remove the first line. Let's remove the first line. And I want you to stay very focused, okay? And to understand what I'm trying to do here. For traders that are watching this video for the first time, all right, what I will recommend to traders. So you watch a video on YouTube. YouTube is a very big library that we put information there for traders. The best approach, you learn something on YouTube, test it first, okay? Test it first. Use a demo account, okay? Practice until you master it. Do not learn a strategy in one day and just go and use a real money with it. That's not a business wise, okay? So again, now I'm going to show you something else, okay? Here we are. We have here, I'm going to draw again. So the first line, I'm going to leave, let's put back the first line, okay, because I need it now, okay? So I draw the first line, you know, this point and this point allow me to draw the first line, okay? So once we have this bullish trend line on our chart, okay, the desperate traders, they are buying and they are selling at the same time. They don't care what the price, whether the long-term trend is bearish or bullish. They don't care about the medium-term trend. They are concentrating on the short-term trend. So they are buying and they are selling anywhere, anyhow, okay? So as they buy here, they want to sell again somewhere here at the top, okay? For a desperate trader, okay? So we have the blue line here, okay? Which is a bullish trend line. We select only one point at the top, so price rally up. So you have your, now you draw your point here, okay? All right, so these 2 points allow you to draw the blue line, okay? So you select maybe 1 point here, okay? And you just draw a line that is parallel to that first line, okay? So we draw this line first. Now you want to sell also, you draw a line. So you try, so it's here, it went up, you see. So you can draw it from here, okay? Select one point here. You just draw a line to that point that is parallel to your first trend line. So our new point, so if you draw it, okay, let's move this one here. Okay, so you have this point and this point that allow you to draw the first line. So prior rally up, display this high. So you select, you draw another line through this point here that is parallel to the first one. Okay, right here. Okay, after this high here. All right. So these 2 points allow you to draw the first line. Prior went up to display first high and pull back again to retest it here. As you are buying here, you put a line here that is parallel to the first one. So what you want to do, because you are desperate trader and you want to buy and sell on a lower time frame without any care to the higher time frame, all right? So here we are, you want to sell again on the edge of the second line here, the second trend line here. So here, you rally, so you buy here, you rally up, it doesn't mean, you can take profit before that, so price going up, you can decide to take your 10 pip, your 15 pip and wait, all right? So price went back again to retest this trend line here, you will sell again with a tiny stop loss. You roll it down, you take your 15 pip, 10 pip, 20 pip, whatever is suitable to your trading style, and then you are waiting again to come near this line, and then you buy again here. All right, so you see, this is a sell right here, and this is again a sell here because the price went to retest this line. Okay, here you see it breaks through it, so this will be a losing trade because if you sell with a tiny stop loss here, okay, you see it break through it, this is a losing trade. Now, if the price goes above this second trend line that you have drawn, there is something else that you will use, which we call market geometry. So the price is out of this channel. You want to project this channel in the direction of the price, okay? But for the purpose of this video, I don't want to project the whole channel, the whole blue channel, okay? Pay attention. I will project only half of the channel because on my 50-minute chart, I don't have space, okay, to project this big channel, okay? So I'll project, so if you want to project, I'll show you now. If you want to project the bigger channel, which is the blue one, okay, we will do something like this, okay? We measure the width of that bigger channel and we project it here like this, and then we draw a line that is parallel to our first bigger channel. Are you with me? All right, we draw a line through this point that is parallel to our bigger channel. This is the projection of our bigger channel. But because you can see that I don't have enough room to project my bigger channel, that's why I want to use only half of my bigger channel. Okay, so half of my bigger channel, the width of half of my bigger channel is this one from here to here. That's the half of it. So price went out above my bigger channel, I project half. You see now, I measure the width, okay, of my bigger channel, and then once the price out of the bigger channel, I project half of that channel, half of my bigger channel. Okay, you can put it anywhere on here. You can put it here. You put it here. All right, put it somewhere there, and just draw a line that is parallel to the first channel. You see now? You see the line that I draw that is parallel to a blue channel? Let's color this one into pink to please our beautiful ladies. All right, here we are. All right, so here again, so price out of, so you were buying here, you were selling here. Now the price out of it, now you project it here. You will look for opportunity to sell again here. All right, very simple and also very powerful on a 50-minute chart. Okay, using trend line and the projection of channel, which we call market geometry, to pinpoint the best place one can sell or buy, okay, stock, commodity, currencies, if one is scalping like a desperate trader. All right, this is the end of this simple video. I recommend to trader to test it. Okay, you open a demo account, test it. Try different stop loss to see which one works better for you. But for scalping, you want to be very, very disciplined. Use exactly the same stop loss for every trade. And if you have a losing trade, let it be a losing trade. You want to achieve more winning trade than losing trade. But you want to enter the trade on the edge of the trend line and stick to the discipline and follow it through. All right? Test it and see whether it's suitable for you or not. Okay? If you have any question, put in the comment section, any suggestion, put in the comment section. No spamming, please. All right. And if you want us to talk more about another subject relating to scalping, okay, put in the comment section, and in due course I will record another video to answer your specific question. This is the end of this video about scalping trading strategy for desperate traders. We were talking about traders. Desperate trader is a trader that is trading on a lower time frame, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, up to 50-minute chart, looking for quick and fast profit. These type of desperate traders do not care about a top-down trading method. They don't look on any other time frame. They are trading on a single time frame, looking for quick and fast profit. Most of the time, these traders are using technical oscillators, but it's wrong to concentrate on a technical indicator instead of the price. The price is the number one indicator. Here it is, a new strategy that one can apply that is using the price itself to determine the best place to buy or sell when one is scalping on a 50-minute chart like a desperate trader, okay? This is the end of this video. If you like the video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, we want to know whether you dislike it. Give us the thumbs down, okay? If you love this video, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you love our video, all right, feel free to subscribe to our channel so you may stay tuned and watch more tutorials like this. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about scalping trading strategy for desperate traders. Happy trading to you all, and I speak to you soon.